Developing forward rolls. We're now going to show you how to do a handstand forward roll. So to start with, we need to see a really good handstand. Great, we've got a lovely line here from the heels to the shoulders, exactly what we want. From here, we're going to roll over to stand up. Very nice, we'll show you that again. So you do need to tip this handstand slightly off balance before you roll. Once you can do it like that, you can have a go with straight arms. I'm not going to help this time. Tilt that handstand, keep nice straight arms, round the back to stand up. Excellent. We're going to have some fun with our forward rolls now, so we're going to take it so that we go over our partner. Our partner needs to lie down on the floor, stretch with their feet together, their toes pointed. Toes together for me, lovely. Okay, and then we're going to roll over. So we need to start with our feet together. Stretch up nice and tall, show that nice crouch. And remember, you've got to reach in this roll so that you reach over your partner. Your hands are going to go on the other side. Remember all the technical bits that we've done before. Don't stand up using your hands, reach forwards to stand up, and a nice stretch at the beginning and end. Let's see that once more. Excellent. Don't forget to swap over. Keep practicing.